So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use hostinger.com to back up your website files and your Mysql database. So the first thing that I'm going to do is log into my hosting account, and I'm going to pause the video for a minute. So if you have the same hosting provider as me as well, what you want to do next is just click on the thing on the navigation bar above where it says hosting. Click on that. And then you're going to find the domain that you want to back up. So in my case, it's Artistic Harmony. I'm going to click on Manage. And I'm just going to scroll down. And I'm looking for something that says Backup. Let me see, where is it at? Let me pause this for a minute. So I decided to zoom in to give you guys a better look at my screen. And you can do that on your Chrome by zooming in or out. So this might be a little bit too big. So you just want to click on Backups. And I found this by simply just scrolling down and click on Backups. So when you get to this page, the next thing you want to do is turn it on or off. And you can, right now mine is turned on. So if it were turned off, let's see. Okay, well I'm not really sure how to turn it off now since it's turned on. But I know for sure that it's turned on. And as you can see, it's backing up my Mysql database. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit more. So it's backing up my Mysql database and my website files. And see, I have many different Mysql databases for different scripts and stuff. And so this right here is a little portion of the name of it. Actually, this is the full name of it, excuse me. The full name of it. And then this right here is the date, 2019, January 1st. Well, actually, 2019. This is the 15th. And then I'm assuming this is January 1st, in between there. And then it also is backing up my web files. As you can see, my web files right here. Now, what you wanted, as you can see, I've already backed up, downloaded and backed up some of these. So what you want to do is just click on the download button. And actually, I think I might have to zoom out. That's probably why it's doing that. So let's just click on one. Let's see. So I have to figure out what's going on there. So I'm just going to click on one of the ones in the green where it says prepare backup for download. Okay, yeah. So this is what it did yesterday, which is good. So when you click on that, it's going to say preparing. I typically click on 2 at a time. And it says, we have started building your backup. It may take up to 30 minutes depending on the account size. So all you have to do at this point is just wait for everything to be backed up, which is what I'm going to do right now. And then when it's ready to be downloaded, it's going to show you a blue button just like this. And so I'm just going to download the Mysql database. Click on download. And it's already downloading. And I'm going to go to show in folder. And there it is. And see, if you know somebody that knows how to install a Mysql database, all you have to do is pay that person to install your MySQL database to your new hosting provider. Anything could happen. You know, you want to make sure you back these files up because you might not be able to pay for your web hosting on a particular month, and you might end up losing your hosting and your entire website. And at least if you have your files backed up and you have your scripts backed up, you're not going to lose anything. You're not going to lose anything because you already have all the files already. So from here, what I would do is I would get a USB drive. So you just want to get one of these, a USB drive, and all you're going to do is just drag and drop your download of your MySQL database and your web files. You're just going to drag and drop it into the USB drive. And so not only will you have this downloaded to your computer, but you'll also have it downloaded to an external device, which is a USB drive. So now let me show you how to download your website files. Prepare backup for download. Click on that. It's downloading right here. Show in folder. And here it is. And if I click on public HTML, inside of this folder is where I have all of my entire website, scripts, everything. And just like the previous one, you're just going to drag it and drop it into the USB drive. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe.